025-003. Is there any second? Is there any second? Severally seconded. Any amendments? There being none. Any objections? There being none. Therefore, the approval of proposed resolution number 2025003 is hereby approved. Majority Floor Leader Manuel M. Duca, you recognize.
Thank you, Mr. For the fifth and last reading, you will request the proponent of the second special report proposed resolution number 2025-005. City Councilor Angelique Caravaria in the doer's sponsoral speech.
City Councilor Angelique Caravaria, you recognize.
To our Honorable City Vice Mayor Jasmine T. Bar, to our Secretary John Philip F. Minola, and to my fellow councilors, good morning. Proposed resolution number 2025 requesting Honorable City Mayor Orlando Tariq A. Good, Honorable City Councilor Roger G. Abaday, Chairperson of the Committee on Environment, City Local Environment and Natural Resources Office, also known as Glenrock, to allocate appropriate funds for the implementing of the monthly seminar teaching the citizens of Barangay Pagkat the proper waste segregation or waste management while making monitoring all their homes for any problems regarding waste. With this being said, I move to propose resolution number 2025-005. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
There's this motion to approve the proposed resolution number 2025-005. Is there any second? Severally seconded. Any discussion? There being none. Any amendments? There being none. Any amendments? Yes, City Councilor J.A. Trace Timbal, you recognize.
Thank you, Mr. Good morning, our Honorable City Vice Mayor Jasmine T. Bar, and City Council Secretary General M. Medusa, and also my fellow City Councilors. Good morning. This is an amendment of manifestation because I believe the safety of segregation in Pagkat National High School is important, not just for the cleanliness of the school but also for the safety and health of the students and the educators. So, I hope, Mr. the approval of resolution number 2025-005 will be approved. Thank you, Senator.
Thank you, City Councilor J.A. Trace Timbal, for the amendment of manifestation. There's this manifestation, so is there any second? Is there any second? Severally seconded? Or maybe seconded? Any discussion? There being none. Therefore, the approval of the final reading is hereby carried. Majority Floor Leader Manuel M. Duca, you recognize.
Thank you, Mr. There's no other matter to check up, so I move for the adjournment of mock session 2025.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader Emmanuel M. Duca. There's this motion to adjourn the mock session 2025. Is there any second? Jointly seconded. Any objections? There being none, therefore the approval to adjourn the mock session is hereby carried. Session adjourned. Thank you, everyone. And before that, I would like to thank the audience for your time and effort for staying and listening to us. And I would like also to thank you, Sir Galaneda and Sir Alvar for your time. Thank you, everyone.